Welcome. Today we're going to walk you through the updated process of removing a recovery email from your Gmail account on your PC. It's a straightforward process, but with recent changes to Gmail's interface, some steps have shifted around. So let's get started to ensure your account information is up to date and secure. First, open your web browser and go to gmail.com. If you're not already signed in, take a moment to log into your account. Once you're in your inbox, look for your profile photo or initial, usually located in the top right corner of the screen, and click on it. In the drop-down menu, you'll see an option that says, Manage your Google account. Click on that. This will take you to a new page where you can control various aspects of your Google account settings. On the left-hand side, you should see a navigation panel. Look for and click on Security. In the Security section, scroll down until you find the Recovery Email option. It's typically listed under the Ways We Can Verify It's You heading. Click on Recovery Email to proceed. Google will then prompt you to confirm that it's really you by entering your current password. Type your password carefully and click Next. Now you're on the Recovery Email page where you can see your current recovery email address. To remove it, look for a Remove icon next to the email address. It might look like a trash can or an X. Click on that icon. A confirmation prompt will appear, asking if you're sure you want to remove the recovery email. This is an important step, as your recovery email is a key way to regain access to your account if you forget your password or encounter security issues. If you're certain you want to remove it, confirm the action. And that's it. You've successfully removed the recovery email from your Gmail account. Keep in mind that after removing a recovery email, it's a good idea to consider adding a new one or ensuring that your recovery phone number is up to date. These recovery options are crucial for account security and can be a lifesaver if you ever get locked out. We hope this tutorial has been helpful. Remember to stay proactive about managing your account information to keep your Gmail account secure. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.